with the help from Research and Development Center, I have built a real-time audio detection engine and it is being used in a startup. In my second year, we were taught Java, and with the help of Mobile Vision Lab, we have developed few applications in Android for our college. Visual Haptics, another research lab which is first of its kind in Hyderabad, which introduced us to cutting-edge technologies in the vision space like augmented reality, virtual reality, and gaming, and encouraged us a lot in doing some projects in that area.
Hello, my name is Praharsha. I'm a computer science graduate from VNR 2010 to 2014 batch. I got hired by Deloitte in my campus placements in the end of my third year. Went to work with Deloitte for 2 years in their data analytics team. And after that, I did my master's at Carnegie Mellon University in USA, concentration in data analytics. And right now, I'm working with Amazon as a data engineer.
It's my pleasure to be an alumni of CSE department, VNR Vignan Jyoti. My journey towards a professional career began in my first year of college. The department has provided me with all the infrastructure and facilities required to learn, grow, and build a career. It can be in the form of trainings, certification programs, mentoring, guidance required for a student in order to learn and grow. Today, I run two organizations, Mithal Technologies, a private firm, and Cyber Jagriti Foundation, a non-profit organization. And during my college days, I had opportunities to work with national and international governments, departments, and many others. Thank you so much.
Hello everybody, I'm Priya Bhandari, a computer science undergraduate passed out in the year 2018 from VNR Vignan Jyoti. I find myself fortunate enough to have received immense support from each and every faculty member and the Department of Computer Science at VNR. I currently work as a consultant for Microsoft. If it wasn't for a faculty member who have told me about the international programming competition ACM ICPC, I would have never even thought about enrolling in it. It soon turned out to be one of the biggest differentiator between me and my peers when applying for a job. I strongly feel that differentiator had opened many number of doors which I never would have even thought about and provided me with opportunities which were far beyond my reach. And I have only the computer science department to thank for that.
Previous panelists have discussed very much in detail about the curriculum and the placement opportunities. So I will largely discuss on what is driving the necessity for these specialized disciplines coming up within CSE. So this change is not actually being driven by the industry or the academia as such. So this is actually a shift in how the industry or academia views computer science as a discipline. So computer science from the beginning has always been a multidisciplinary subject. It always had a bit of mathematics, it always had a bit of electronics and a bit of everything to get it running. So if you majorly look at the famous topics that we are speaking about today, things such as AI and ML, these are not very new to computer science. These have been discovered something in late 1950s, 1960s, and it's actually the amount of focus and the research that which has gone into this discipline. This has changed the focus of the industry to look at it as a specific application to where we look at it as a specific discipline, wherein each discipline in itself has multiple applications. So traditionally, the data science or the AML, these services were provided by third-party providers as vendors to major industries. But now in this growing field wherein there is a lot of data streaming in and a lot of decisions happening in-house, these third-party vending services have now become integral to all the major institutions and industry. And almost every major industry that we spoke about, even in the placement section, now has in-house teams for these services like AML, data sciences, or even cybersecurity. And also, I do understand that maybe there are parents over here or students over here who are not yet too decided on where they're going with their career, who might be just having an introductory, who might be at an introductory stage to what computer science is. And I would say, do not be too much worried. Like Sangameshwar already pointed out, the course curriculum will always touch base on what computer science fundamentally is. And these are the concepts which will not vary across all of these disciplines. These are something that which you will carry on for the rest of your life. So these will be the same. And also, apart from this, some other things that I would like to highlight is that if you find yourself uh, just telling that, hey, I want to see myself in a particular role at the end of this one, or I want to be a particular person who wants to research in an area. So this specialization courses puts you in an advantageous position wherein you have a formalized curriculum, formalized basic curriculum, I would say,
Sandeep
to
sir,
kind of
can you put up the
place you in that
poster on the
direction.
screen? Is it
And
possible?
even if you are placed into a different one, or if you kind of during your course discover your passion in some other discipline,
Sandeep sir?
it is perfectly possible for you to kind of go into electives which will happen during your late third year and your early fourth year. And you will also have opportunities to develop projects with students from across these disciplines. So nowadays it is not fair to tell that all of these disciplines are mutually exclusive. In fact, if you kind of look into data science, like already Sangameshwar mentioned, once you go into predictive analytics, or whenever you're going into deeper areas of machine learning, you would always see that data science and machine learning kind of go hand in hand. And also, while you kind of collect a lot of data, then now as you go started hearing in even news items as well, the more data that you get a lot of problems even around data governance and how you kind of store that data safely of your customers. Also, how are you processing them? What are the privacy concerns? Again, all of this will again have a bit of mix from the cybersecurity as well. So, any individual project that we take up, even in the industry, from the day one, like Sangameshwar and others from the industry have mentioned, we always think of all the prospectus. It would include cybersecurity, it would include machine learning, how the processing happens. So, it is always a mix of all of these. So, there is no a particular reason why we would tell that one is at a disadvantageous position than the other. So it is always up to these students on their passion and their motivation, which drive their choice of discipline. And even if you're in a discipline and if you discover a different passion while you're on the journey, it is always welcome for you to take up any new electives or any other massive online courses which are now widely available. And all of these are equally respected by the industry. So it's always a combination of the academia plus these self-learning plus the industry which drives in all these disciplines at the end.
Very good morning, panel members and organizers for the panel discussion on exploring the horizons of computer science engineering, organized by Department of Computer Science Engineering and Computer Science and Business Systems. A warm welcome to all the parents, students, and other faculty members who have joined this particular session. This is Sandeep Chaitanya from Department of CSE VNR VGIT. It's my privilege to welcome all the dignitaries, Dr. S. Nagini, Professor, Department of CSE and CSBS, Dr. Professor, Department of CSE and CSBS, Dr. B. Children, Professor, Department of CSE and CSBS, Dr. B. Shukla, Associate Professor, Department of CSE and CSBS, and organizers for the admissions VNR VGIT, Dr. D. and Sudha ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for accepting our request and joining the sessions. for the panel discussion on exploring the horizons of computer science engineering. Over to Naini, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning and a warm welcome to the parents and our colleagues who have joined us on this platform. So these we all will give you information regarding what is CSE and CSBS, and finally we'll look forward to answer your queries at the end of the day. So I'll just take about a couple of minutes to explain you about what is CSE and CSBS, and then the rest all our colleagues will be taking ahead straight away. Sandeep sir, can we just go ahead with the next slide, please?
Yes, ma'am. Before starting the session by all the panel members, dear parents, let me have a small glimpse about the total thing what we'll be discussing in the next 1 hour. Our HOD ma'am, she will be discussing about total infrastructure, the facilities that has been provided under the Department of CSE, VNR, VHIT. And next, followed by Dr. P.V. Shivkumar sir, he will be discussing about the curriculum and rules and regulations, how the student has to be behaved in our college. And followed by P. Ramakrishna sir, he will be discussing about the placements and training activities in absence of Dr. P.V. Kiranmaya ma'am. And finally, we will be having a session by Dr. C. Kiranmaya ma'am. She will be discussing about the VNR initiatives, faculty achievements, student achievements, and how the VNR is different from all other traditional engineering colleges. Okay, ma'am. Now the session will be will be taken by Dr. S. Nagini, ma'am. Ma'am, over to you, ma'am. You can continue the session.
Thank you, Sandeep.
One second, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. On behalf of the department, I welcome all the parents who are online here. My name is Dr. S. Nagdi. Been working in this college since 1998. So, 25 years of experience in the same college. And this is a strength with which I just wanted to take off, stating that many of our faculty have a good amount of experience within the college. So, we have a good faculty retention ratio. Can we go ahead, Sandeep? So next, Sandeep. So a brief introduction about CSE department. CSE department was started in the year 1995 with an intake of 40 initially. As on today, we are 240, running with 4 sections, and CSE is recognized as the most prestigious department for its ability in research as well as development activities. Apart from whatever regular academic works we do, and we are NBA accredited, and we are recognized as a research center under J2H, in which many of our faculty are acting as research guides, and we have quite number of research scholars spread across not only under J2H, but we have people from other universities also. And with respect to computer science and business system, this we have started in the year 2019, and the batch strength is 60. And this is as part of MOU with TCS, and the curriculum and all is designed by TCS in collaboration with ISC Bangalore and Kolkata. That's how more value added information is there in this curriculum, and it is more closer to the business 4.0 revolution. Next. And what are all the prospects that the department offers is to impart good quality education. We have been doing this since 1995. Our faculty are also getting well equipped with the latest technologies to do the quality education outsourcing. And we are recognized as a research center by JNUH Hyderabad. And we have a center of excellence for data science in the department. We do a lot of projects under data science as well as machine learning and other things, but we have an excellence center with data science, and we have very experienced and competent faculty. Our faculty are very much equipped with the latest technologies, and we have a placement record which is running beyond 95 percentage. And every time we try to update our curriculum so that it meets the industry need as well as it addresses the societal demand. Next. And what are all the job prospects the students look forward with respect to taking up a program in CSE and CSBS? Is all the students get placed in either product-based companies, service-based companies. Many of them even opt for government and private sectors, bank and health insurance sector, manufacturing sector, financial sector, business analysis, and marketing sectors. These are all the places where students can explore and find and go ahead and take up a job at a very easy manner. Next. And about the faculty, we are as on today for CSE and CSBS, we are a strength of 68, among which five of our faculty are professors, and the five of them are associate professors, and rest all are assistant professors. And the total number of PhDs we have here 25, and the rest all are pursuing their PhD. So within couple of 1 or 2 years, almost all of them will be winding up their PhD. And many of our faculty to get equipped with the latest what industry requires and all, they have been certified from IIIT, Hyderabad Service Now, and Emeritus, EC Council, etc. in the domains AIML, data science, AR/VR, deep learning, Service Now, design thinking, and cybersecurity, which are hot emerging topics and which are very much what the technology is very much needed by the industry experts. Next. So, just as told early, we have a competent faculty who keep on upgrading their skill set. They do attend seminars, workshops, faculty development programs. They take up online certification courses, and we have dedicated labs which help them to understand how to work with the latest technology and also do a good amount of research in current domains such as data science, virtual reality, augmented reality, and gaming. In doing so, our faculty are quite competent enough, and they got more than 1.5 crore of funded projects and all, as well as consultancy amount. So that shows us the experience and competency that our faculty have. Next. And with respect to infrastructure, we have Center of Excellence for Data Science, and we have an AR/VR lab through which we have done a consultancy works for the tourism department, and we have Visual Haptics Lab, weekend project laboratories where the students are allowed to stay back and work as per their requirement. It's not only that weekend project lab that we give it to the students straight away. If the students want to work beyond college timing, we do hand over the keys of the laboratories, and they can continue working till the late nights or whatever it is. And all the classrooms and the laboratories are ICT enabled, and the complete campus is Wi-Fi campus. And we have a well-stocked department library, not only at the institute level. Institute level, we have a very large library, but at the department level also, there is a library which caters to the students' needs as well as the faculty needs. So there are a lot of journals, a lot of subscriptions that we do, so that the culture of research is not only limited to the faculty, but it also gets propagated among the students equally. And we ensure that the students build a good amount of profile by doing projects, by publishing papers. These all add a value for them in their profile, which help them not only in going ahead in any job role, but otherwise pick up a very strong organizations outside when they prefer to go for MS programs. Next. So with respect to curriculum, Dr. P.V. Shivkumar sir will take over. He is very good in giving you inputs with respect to curriculum.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. Now I request Dr. P.V. Shivkumar sir to give a glance about the total curriculum, the academics, rules and regulations that our student has to be followed. Over to Shivkumar sir.
Thank you, Sandeep, and thank you, Naini ma'am. And coming to the curriculum respect, we are having the autonomous status since 2012. and we are designing our curriculum on our own basis based on the BOS inputs. So we are having the Board of Studies Committee, which is consisting of all the industry persons, reputed institutions, persons like Triple IT, Hyderabad Central University, IIT Hyderabad, JNTU. So many professors are there in the BOS committee, and they're regularly they're revising the curriculum, and they are giving the best curriculum for the students. And for every 6 months, we are conducting BOS meeting, and we are collecting all the inputs from them, from other stakeholders like industry people who are coming for the campus placements. We are taking the inputs from the alumni students, and we are taking the inputs of students who are pursuing masters and MTech in IITs and NITs. Based on all these inputs, we will very regularly updates our curriculum in the department. Coming to the department, CSE department curriculum, we are consisting of 160 credits here. Every year, 40 credits each student need to be completed. And we are having the flexibility of the selecting of the elective courses, which is consisting of 6 professional electives, which is the department related uh, papers, and 4 open electives that is offered by the other departments. So there are 10 elective courses each student can choose. Apart from these elective courses, we are offering some audit courses, summer internship in the second year, mini project in the third year, and major project in the final year. And most of the lab courses, we are offering the lab courses in the mode of course based project, where the student can give the best practical knowledge in each and every practical course. So apart from this regular curriculum, we are additionally giving for the students with respect to 2 certificate courses. It is mandatory, each student must complete 2 certificate courses, where we are offering in the department. We are also encouraging students to pursue certificate courses from NPTEL, which is offered by the IIT. And we are also encouraging to do the courses in EDX and Coursera, some platforms also. Apart from this, we are also offering many training programs which can be helpful for them for the placement also. And on regular basis, we are offering, we are inviting the people from the industry and the higher education institutions to offer number of guest lectures, seminars, workshops for the benefit of the student as well as the faculty in the department. And we are also encouraging the students to participate in the coding contest, hackathon, project expos and all. Lot of exposures we are giving for the students, and we are continuously monitoring the student efforts, and we are giving the inputs based on their capability. And apart from all these, we are having one more additional input for the students is honors degree. So if anybody is really interested, if any student is really interested to get the honors degree, they need to pursue additionally 6 professional elective courses. So regularly, each student need to take 6 professional courses. Apart from those 6, if additionally 6 courses they completed, they will get the degree in honors. Honors in computer science and engineering department degree they will get. And including that, we are also offering the mini course also. We are offering in the entrepreneurships mini degree concept also we are having. So where we are pursuing 18 credit course. If the student is completing that 18 credit courses, we are giving the mini degree concept also is there. So for computer science students, we are offering in the field of entrepreneurships. So if any student really interested, they can pursue this mini degree from third year onwards. So we are offering this mini degree concept as well as the honors degree concept from third year onwards. So all these are the very unique system we are following in the VNR VJIT, and exclusively we designed all these things for the benefit of the students. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Sandeep.
Thank you very much, sir. Ramakrishna, sir, are you there?
Sir.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you.
So very good morning, one and all. This is Ramakrishna, Assistant Professor in CSE Department, VNR Vijnana Jyoti, VNR VJIT. So we are providing the trainings to the students from second year, first semester onwards. That is the first course, full stack development, so web development. that they will take in second year first semester. First, they will work on the front end technologies, and the later, after completion of the second year first semester, then they will start with the working on back end technologies, and they will integrate both, and they'll develop one application, web application and mobile applications, that they will do in a second year first semester. And coming to the second year second semester, we'll start with the coding, a basic coding skills development program will start in second year second semester, and will introduce the whatever the courses they have learned in first year, like C language, in second semester data structures, and in third semester Java. So all these platforms will be used to write the code and to improve their coding skills with the help of an external trainer. So likewise, the basic coding skills will be improved in the second year second semester, and later few students will be shortlisted for the third year first semester for advanced coding skills. So because of improving their coding skills, and because of having the awareness in all the platforms like HackerRank, HackerEarth, Lead Code, Code Chef, all this, so they will get the good placements. And also our students got the internships in Amazon, ServiceNow, Google, and many companies that they are doing from the first year onwards. Still our students, first, second, third year students, are currently doing the internships in all the top MNC companies, and few students are also doing the remote internship projects. So, and coming to the technical trainings, in the 2-1, that web development trainings will be provided, and the 2-2 coding related trainings will be provided. And the next, along with the coding trainings, and few students will be also, we are providing AWS cloud platforms, and cybersecurity, and some other research oriented current domains, whatever are there. So we are also providing the training to those students whoever interested in that areas. And after that, after completion of the third year first semester, at the end of 3-1, so we are going to provide the aptitude training that is required for the every student, because that is the first step for the placements. So first they will complete the written test. In that, that aptitude skills, verbal reasoning skills are very important. So that aptitude training will be provided after 3-1. And in coming to the third year second semester, whatever the trainings we have provided, and whatever they have learned, they will practice, and they'll do some projects, and they'll do some internships, all that. And once the completion of their entire whatever they have learned, so all those they will practice again in the third year for second semester, and the placements will start from the fourth year first semester. But before that, as the JP Morgan company will visit in second year itself, second year second semester. First they will come for the internships, and they will offer the internships to the second year students. They will offer the summer internship, that is 2 months, and during that period they'll pay 70,000 per month, and the package is 17.75 lakhs. After completion of their 2 months internship, they'll be converted into full-time employment offer, and they'll get the 17.75 lakhs. And this year, our students, 36 CSE students got the JPMC offer, and 10 CSBS students also got the JPMC's offer with a pay package of 17.75. And the next, our two of our CSE students got the placement in Google, that is 49 lakhs, that they have got this offer by doing the internship from the first year onwards. So first year, second year, they've done the internship, and in the third year, they've got this offer. So two of our girl students got this offer, and they have offered the 49 lakhs package. So likewise, totally 125 companies will visit our campus to recruit the students. So here in this, out of 125 companies, there are service based, product based, and IT enabled services, and IT, all these companies will visit. So these are the statistics here. And coming to the current years, 22 and 23, our CSE students are 94% of the students got placed this year. And coming to the CSBS, we have one section. So out of 66 students, 63 are eligible for these placements, and 57 students got placed. That is 91%. And these are the companies in 22-23 who visited our campus and got the placements for these students. That is for Google, 2 students, 49 lakhs, and Amazon, 4 students, that is Amazon Web Services, AWS role, that is 21 lakhs, and then JPMC, 36 students from CSE, and 10 students from CSBS who got the offer from JPMC with a package of 17.75 LPA, and also Oracle offered these 18.5 lakhs of package for 17 CSE students and 9 CSBS students. Likewise, around 50% of the above students got the pay package of around above 10 lakhs, and we have a average package of nearly 10 for the CSE students and 11 for the CSBS students. So when it comes to the last year placements, we have a one international offer. Lasya Kilari, she got the offer from the Juniper Network. She got the pay package of 97 LPA, and another 5 students got the offer from Amazon with a pay package of 45 LPA, and one student got from offer from Microsoft, so with a pay package of 49 LPA. So almost every year, when it comes to placement, almost 50 to 60% of the students will get about 10 to 12 lakhs package, and the remaining students are in the range of 6 to 12 lakhs package. So most of the students, almost 92 to 94% of the students will get placements from this campus only, and the remaining people will go for the MS and some other higher studies here. So next. And these are the achievements that I tell you, like just Juniper Networks. She got the internship actually first in third year. She got the internship after completion of the virtual internship, and she got this offer, 97 LPA. And also 2 students, Srija Tulasi and Hiranmai Supriya, she got they both have got offer from the Google with 49 lakhs package, and total 46 students, they got the offer JPMC, and 8 students got the offer Amazon, and 27 students currently who are in third year students, they are doing internship, that they are going to for that they are going for JPMC after completion of their exams, that is from June 14th onwards. So likewise, when it comes to placement, almost all the top MNC companies will visit our campus, and every student will get a very good package because of the trainings, because of the internships, and because of the all the types of support who is providing from the CSE and CSBS department here. So that's all about from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, Ramakrishna sir, for your brief description about the total placements and moreover the training activities of what we are conducting in the Department of CSE, VNR VJIT. Why? Because most of the faculty and moreover the students who are joining for the VNR VJIT very much they are very much curious about the training and moreover the placements, how we are different, and what are the basic pay packages and all these things. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your elaborate discussion about the total training and moreover placement activities. Now I request Dr. C. Kiranmaya ma'am, Professor Department of CSE VNR VJIT, to discuss about the student faculty achievements and VNR initiatives. Over to Dr. C. Kiranmaya ma'am.
Thank you, Sandeep. Good morning, everyone who are connected, and a warm welcome to the parents and all the aspiring students also. Like my colleagues have given an introduction about the department and how the activities are going on. So this is how we plan the students' career also, taking up the curriculum as an outcome-based education. That is not learning and education, but what would be the outcome of it. So how are we going to implement it? Not only the classroom teaching, which will be giving the fundamentals to the students regarding the academics part of it, or and about that, exposing them to the various activities to upskill themselves. So upskilling is a continuous habit among the students and also the faculty. That's how the achievements lay out, wherein we are awarded as the best teacher, the best CSI department, and all these things. It is a continuous achievements that go up with the faculty. Coming to the students' achievements, once they are their learnings are tested when they go in for the hackathons. Here we listed some of the faculty achievements, wherein we have an active professional society, IEEE and also CSI. So last month there were the CSI awards where we could bag around 4 awards for the faculty achievement, the overall excellence awards, the best researcher, and the strong student group, wherein the multiple number of students and the faculty, they happen to be the members of it. Not only being a member, but their participation in various activities and getting accolades for the department is commendable. Next, Sandeep. So when the students they try to test themselves, that is through participation in the national and international activities, also through the coding hackathons, they never leave any scope or any stone unturned without getting a prize for the department and also to the institute. The training and placement, the learnings, what they happen to have over there, everything cannot be induced into the academic curriculum. So in such cases, it is topped up with the training skills and also the coding skills. The Turing Hut, which happens to be a backbone in the department, continuously training the students of CSE and CSBS to enhance their coding skills or to strengthen their logical thinking and practice it right from the student who was doing very minimum to the best performer. How a hand holding can be done and the confidence can be induced for them to participate and see where they stand and how they excel in coding, because coding happens to be the strong foundation that has to be had by any of the CSE students. So that's how they keep participating in every activity. Mostly it would be the hackathons, wherein they show off their coding skill, their approach, and the time sense wherein they are solving the problems, and also inducing them to the societal benefit approach. That is not only doing some coding, getting a prize for it, but how would their solution, what they could come out of their participation, can be of a benefit to the society. So this will automatically create a level of confidence and also the inclusiveness of the student to the society. So they try to bag every opportunity. They come up with the choice of attending in multiple competitions and see that they return back with the prize. Next one, Sandeep. So to list a few here, there are the prize won by the students. So not only in hackathons and all, but they are also actively participating in the ECA activities. Let it be football or chess. We have a chess champion in CSBS, Lokesh, wherein he won the prize when he was participating at the national level competition. The CSBS students, they even got placed in the NASA apps, the space apps, which was held at our college during September 2022. And also they went to participate in Chandigarh. The expos doesn't stop only at the state level, but it goes to the national and the international level also. So it's up to the students how they grab the opportunity. Like they are made to be part of the research projects of the faculty, so that way they'll come to know what are the developments that are happening in the outside world. The industry connect is always maintained to see that we are not never in the second in the race. Next one, ma. The various awards received by the students, may it be a hackathon or the best committed student branch activist, like all these happen to be the achievements of the students, like an ideal student talent when they happened given by the IST session of Telangana state. The CSBS student who won the second prize and also a cash amount of 7,500 during the Ideathon organized by the IIT Roorkee. Next one, ma. And yes, they are in the limelight also. One of our alumni, Rupesh Mittal, started a company with Cyber Jagrati, wherein he is working with the very close with the government, providing solutions for the ethical hacking purpose. And we do induce this idea of being a part of the society, that is being not only seeking an employment, also being an employer. One of our student, Raman Prasad Kovalmudi, is the youngest entrepreneur. He received this youngest entrepreneur award from Forbes. The entrepreneur cell will continuously update the students and also does the hand holding, giving a seed amount of 5 lakh rupees, and also providing the space with the proper bandwidth connectivity. When they are successful and they want to establish in the outside market, the platform is ready for them, wherein they have tried or mudded their hands to know what is success while they are in the outside society. How CSE and CSBS are different. So here, basically, we have a set of initiatives which we call them as VNR differentiators. So these differentiators, it is not only the classroom learning which happens for a student, but other than that, exposing them to the external world. Learning in the class is not in the sense of the marks what they are going to get. There is a question mark which goes answered, which will say that why am I learning this and where am I going to implement all this. So that will be shown by their participation and their achievements, by inculcating the coding culture to by their participation in the Turing Hut, the Computer Society of India, the CSI chapter, where I told you last month we got some awards on this. It will keep them abreast with the upcoming technologies. The membership with the IEEE Computer Society will throw an external arena into the international world. The IUCEE is enhancing the engineering education for the students while they are in the college, other than the academic curriculum that has been designed for them. The Google Developer Student Club also gives them the exposure for the coding contests that can happen and how they can upgrade themselves to be a part of this. Continuous technical trainings helping them in the projects or maybe getting a placement, and every learning that is happening as a part of their curriculum in their project, by the end of the session or their 16 sessions of their project, the lab work, they are made to design a project which we call them as a course based project. So the components or the various modules which they learn, finally they will put it into the form of a product or a simulated product, wherein they will know that yes, this is the concept what I learned, tomorrow I'll be using it in exploring this particular opportunity or coding for this particular purpose. The in-house internship trainings are given to them, wherein they'll be made part of these faculty research groups, research projects, funding projects, which will enhance their skills in publications and presentations. The publication is an inbuilt habit, what we inculcate among the students for making them a part of the projects what we happen to take up. So by the time they are out of the college, each student will have not less than 2 to 3 good impact papers which they have presented on various platforms. An open house, the projects what they have done, the skill to expose themselves and to get the inputs for the further enhancement if they are going to turn into a entrepreneur and produce a project out of it. And yes, the Google empowerment, women empowerment, the girl students are given a special attention to be a part of this. And initially, at the training level itself, they bag up the opportunities to be a continuous intern and with a good remuneration. Amazon Girl Internship is a similar offer for only the girl students, and we are always in the list and with the student participation, and our students are always on the rolls of these activities. Uh, Sandeep, I'm done. The strong faculty, which happen to be always there for the students, and we work with the students, their inputs and the faculty inputs both enhance the quality of outcome from the department. So it is a continuous striving from both the ends, not only the academics part of it. Academics or the learnings can happen anywhere, but how to implement it, how to practice it, how to use it in life and become a proper citizen is what we make our students learn while they are with us for all the 4 years. Thank you very much. All the best, and hope to see you all soon as our students in this particular academic year 2023. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for explaining all the student and more of faculty achievements and how the VNR is different from that of the other engineering colleges, about the other engineering colleges they are following and what we are following exactly. Thank you, ma'am. Now I request admission coordinator, Dr. Kantasuda ma'am, to share your speech.
Sandeep,
Sir.
Please ask our alumni to speak some words here.
Yes, sir.
2 people are there in the meeting.
Sir.
Mihir and Vardhan.
Sir.
You invite them first.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. Now I request Mihir. Are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Yeah. Okay. Can you switch on your camera, please?
Yeah. 1 minute.
Yeah. Before handing the session to Mihir. Okay, it's my privilege to have the Mihir here. He's our alumni from CSBS. Thank you for Mihir for accepting our request and joining the session. Over
Yes,
to
sir.
Mihir.
It's my privilege. Yeah, good morning, everyone, to the aspirants so seeking admissions and also about knowing more about computer science and their counterparts. As I am a student of computer science and business system, I recently passed out from 23 batch, and the department has been very helpful and very coordinative when all the things I have done from first year. Like not only the academic support for the department, they give the career guidance, they give the personalized development, like how to shape a person. Like they identify the weakness and strength of a particular student and guide accordingly. So there's personalized development of each student which they take care of, and also they guide us through research opportunities to through projects. We write good impactful papers, publish them, and also how the projects done in our final year will be impactful socially, also environmentally, or what role it has in the future. And also they help us in professional networking, as recently it has been discussed that there are professional chapters like CSI, IEEE, which enhance the networking side. We get to know more people from outside, uh, industry experts or academic experts who are there. We get to know more about the emerging technologies and their impact currently on computer science. And also they guide us through further studies. It may be a MS, MBA. As I'm from CSBS, special things about CSBS are it integrates both the business and computer science, and also entrepreneur side, the management side of how things are done. It bridges the gap between industry and academics. And also the department supports for personal challenges as well. That's a very good thing I found in our department, and I'm very thankful to all the faculty who have guided us throughout the 4 years of our BTech life. And few tips before I sign off, like few important tips to get across the line with computer science and be an impactful computer science engineer is embrace each and every programming language you come across, let it be C, C++, Java, R programming, or anything which is a programming language, because we don't know which programming language is going to boom in in the future. And also engage in practical projects, stay updated with emerging technologies like AI, machine learning, blockchain, data science, and everything, because they are the future. And build a strong network. Networking is everything in our BTech life. The better the network, the better the person we become, and better knowledge we gain from peers, our faculty, industry persons, and everyone else. And be excited, stay curious, and continuously learn and upgrade yourself, like upskill yourself with different skills. And also develop your soft skills. That's one of the important things, and the department is there to look after us. And the trainings the placement opportunities, everything is taken care of. Like, it's great to be here. Thank you for the opportunity.
Mihir, your branch has an added advantage of Padmini and all. They went to the UN level.
Yeah,
That's a special
for
cap for CSBS.
yeah, four of my peers in my class had gone to Stanford University, representing design thinking model. They had worked on it. So how impactful we can be impactful at the international level too. So we have lots of opportunities at CSBS. It explores the business side, the management side. Few of the subjects are very interesting, and also there are endless opportunities if we try to explore. Like, we are here to we are here to support you as well as alumni, and it's a great course, and everything is it sits into place when everything we join the dots easily, and we can see that at the end of 4 years it will be fruitful.
Thank you, Meher.
Thank you, sir.
Now I request Vardhan.
Hello.
Yeah, Vardhan, your voice
Yeah,
is
can you hear
audible.
me, sir?
Yeah, yes.
Yes, sir. Firstly, everyone, I'm Vardhan. I recently graduated from Computer Science Department at Vienna VJIT. I'm very thankful for giving me this opportunity to speak about my department. To mention, I really have a very positive opinion on my department because my department always strive to provide excellence and provide quality education and a good learning environment. During my time as a student, I found the faculty members to be very knowledgeable, experienced, and supportive. They were not only experts in their respective fields, but also encouraged critical thinking, innovation, and practical application and concepts. The department also organized several workshops, seminars, and guest lectures, which exposed us to latest advancements and industry trends. Moreover, the CSE department at Vienna VJIT emphasized industry interactions and placements. The college had strong ties with reputed companies, which resulted in excellent placement opportunities for the students. The department also encouraged students to participate in coding competition, hackathons, and research projects, fostering a culture of innovation and practical implementation. There were also various student chapters and clubs which encouraged us to grow ourselves. I personally worked as a technical head in Computer Society of India of Vienna VJIT, which helped me improve my soft skills and help expose me to uh, uh, expose me to evacuate my stage fear. Additionally, the department foster a sense of community and collaboration among the students. Overall, my experience with CSE department at Vienna VJIT was enriching and rewarding. It provided me with strong foundation in computer science and equipped me the skills and knowledge necessary to improve my career. Thank you. Thanks for this opportunity.
But then your leadership has fetched the award of the largest CSI branch.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
So the work what you have done and the best projects which came out of your batch, which have been recognized at both the society level and also the best project awards.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, we did a project. Our major project was regarding how to tackle the breast cancer in women. So it got the best societal impact award, and also as our CSI student chapter had got the best student chapter award in the state. So it was very. I was very happy for knowing that, and I personally did many. I personally organized several events like webinars, workshops, and web development training sessions. And our faculty coordinator Sandeep Chaitanya sir was always supportive, and this also helped our juniors. Like through the student chapter, we could coordinate with our seniors, and as well as we could help our juniors to learn more whatever we know. And as technology is upgrading, the juniors who we have now are more advanced than what we are. So this type of how we can interact with our juniors and seniors help us to improve ourselves better. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Vardhan. Thank you very much. Now I request our admission coordinator, Dr. Kansuda ma'am, to share her views on the admissions and the process that we involved in the case of PNR VCIT regarding the B category NRI and all the things.
Yeah, thank you, Sandeep. So I hope my screen is visible to all. Sandeep, is the
Yes,
screen
ma'am.
visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Your screen is visible and your voice is also audible. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. So good morning to one and all. So it was a nice session hearing about all the CSE faculty, seniors in the faculty, as well as the alumni of their department. So I would just like to briefly give an introduction to the admissions and the admission process. So we are a team of three. I coordinate the admissions, and I do have a staff, two staff under me, who is Shailja Madam and Rajkumar sir. So, and also regarding the rank, NIRF ranking, we have 113 All India rank in engineering category. I do hope the parents and the students realize the significance of NIRF, because there are a lot many rankings coming in various news articles related to this. I ask all the parents and students to ensure that you follow the standard ranking category, which is the National Institute Ranking Framework, NIRF. So you can go through those rankings to know the actual related details about the institute also. So coming to the admissions intake, so since 2019, we had an increase in the number of seats that were being offered in various branches, especially the CSE and the related allied branches also. So right now, last year we had an intake of 1862. So coming to the admission process, we do have three different categories. That is category A, which comes through counseling, or we call it as convener quota. 70% of the seats come through this category, where the criteria is TS MCET rank. And then category B merit is 15%, where the criteria is JE mains rank. And category B management or NRI sponsored category, which comprise of 15%, where the criteria is 11th and 12th aggregate percentage. Then we also have EWS quota, which is 10% of category A, which is allotted by the convener based on the MCET rank, and also along with the consideration about EWS certificate. So these are the total number of seats of the diversification of different categories related to the various branches, and this is related to the CSE and the allied branches, whatever is the total intake comprising in the last year, that is admission intake in 2022. So coming to the analysis report, so there was a trend of demand for admission in VNR because of our achievements and outcomes, which I think you have gone through in each and every panel discussion, right from even today we had CSE also stating their outcomes in a very clear and concise manner related to their student achievements, their placements record, and also the faculty expertise that we have. So we are the most demanded college in the entire state of Telangana, which I can proudly say. And we do have an admission trend wherein we see that there's a lot of demand. Against 522 seats, we have around 3,162 applications coming last year, which means to say that we against one seat we have around 600 applications coming on that count. So coming to the quality of admissions, these were the opening ranks related to the various branches of engineering compared with the last year, that is 2021 and 2022. I'm just showcasing whatever were the ranks related to various branches. That is in 21, what was their opening rank? It's an open category rank, which I'm projecting right now. So depending on your caste and reservation and all, you can go through the details and statistics which are available on our admissions page in VNR VJIT website. And also, if you want to contact any of the branch counselor related to any of the branches, we do have a schedule in place wherein you can find the appropriate branch counselors related to the various branches available in the admission section during these slots. So you can take a screenshot of it, or you can just have a photo of it, so that you understand that the faculty related to these branches will be available in the admission section during this time. So if you want to have one-on-one conversation with them, you can definitely contact them. So CSE and CSBS, if you see, so they do have a slot on Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So they will be available during these slots. So 4-2 in the sense it's 10 to 1, and afternoon is from 2 to 5. So during these slots, you can find the branch counselors appropriate to these departments available in the admission section. So I hope that parents or the students who are walking in the institute will find it feasible to talk to these faculty branch counselors, so that you can get all your doubts related to the courses also getting clarified. And also, I request all the parents and students to not yield to any of the agents or consultants who are approaching you, telling that they can give you a seat into VNR under management category. So we are not in handshake with any of the consultants or any of the third party people. We are not engaging any of them. Everything is a transparent process, and every update that we give related to the admissions will be available on our website on regular basis. So anything related to this, apart from whatever I have told just now, so I think the students or the parents, whoever want to ask any doubts related to the department, that is CSE and CSBS, or related to the admission process, I think you can just put in your questions right now.
Sir. Yeah, guys, please be quiet. Sound తగ్గించుది నేను మైక్ ఆన్ చేస్తాను. Guys, please. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, and I request the parents and the students who has joined the session, if you have any sort of doubt, you can unmute your mic or else you can post in the chat window. Yeah, yes, sir. Sir, we got a query, sir, regarding so how the aligned branches of CSC and CSE is different. Does all the aligned branches and CSC and including CSBS will have the equal employment opportunities? Ramakrishna, sir, regarding the placements? Thank you, ma'am. And we got a question, how to select the branches, I mean priority selections. Consider, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. And we got a big question saying that I have heard few people saying CSE students might not have a smooth path in the future. May ChatGPT take over them? Is it true? Naini ma'am, can you answer this question? Some of the students are asking about how the ragging will influence us. Is there any ragging in the college? Thank you, sir. Sir, some of the faculty they have said about the minor degrees, the opportunities that has been there in the VNR VHIT. Suppose if I am choosing for CSE and CSBS, is there any chance to have the minor degree in AML or also data science or in cyber security? Thank you, sir. Regarding the scholarships, apart from the regular scholarship that is provided by the government of Telangana, is there any scholarships from NGOs or else from the college or any other societies to uplift the economically weakened students? Thank you, sir. In connection to the Dr. PV Shivkumar sir, what he's saying about the scholarships. To be fact, last year also around 25 students they had got the scholarships from Amazon. Amazon is providing the scholarships for the economically weakened students, and we have the scope for the other NGOs also. They are providing the scholarships, and to be fact, around they are getting a scholarship of 40,000 every year, apart from the regular scholarships what the Telangana government is providing. And the next question is. హలో హలో మేడం ఎవరిది వినిపిస్తుంది కదా నాకు ఎందులో వినిపించట్లేదు యూట్యూబ్లోనా వినిపిస్తుందా ఎవరన్నారు వస్తుంది నాన్న నేనే చెక్ చేస్తాను మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెక్ చేస్తాను Yeah, dear participants, parents and students, if you have any sort of doubts, you can raise your hands, else we can conclude the session. Yeah, thank you. That's all for the day. Thank you, admission coordinator, Dr. Kansuda ma'am, for initiating this particular session, which helps the parents and moreover the students who are opting the admissions in VNR VCIT. Thank you, ma'am. And also I thank our HOD Dr. S. Nagini ma'am and Professor Dr. C. Kiranmai ma'am, Ramakrishna sir, placement coordinator and training coordinator, and also Dr. P. V. Shivakumar sir, UG coordinator for the program, Department of CSE and CSBS, VNR VCIT, for joining the session and making it happen. And also I would like to thank Vardhan and Moram here for joining the session. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, dear participants. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Dear participants, you can leave the session. That's all from our side. For any further information, you can visit vnrvcit.ac.in. Then information will be available in the website. Or else you are very much free to come to VNRVCIT. D block 5th floor. We'll be having then a separate admission section has been there. There you can have your own inquiries. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.